got this wheel hoe from Valley Oak Tool Company, and I'm going to put it together and see how easy it is to put together. Okay. These nuts and bolts. The reason they gave me extra washers was so that I could adjust the length of these bolts so that they didn't protrude out of the nut, because the ends of these bolts are sharp. It looks good. And then the locking washer. And then I'm supposed to tighten them, but not really tight. They're snug, but they are not really tight. Okay, we thread this long bolt through the blue spacer tube in the center. That looks good. That looks a little high. That's easy. Easy adjustment. That looks about right. Right at my hips. What I like is it doesn't feel like it jars your body while you do this. No, when you're hoeing or whatever, with every blow of the hoe, I feel like my body takes the blow. And it seems to go right through it. Bermuda grass will always grow back because it has roots to China, but you can't do any better by hand. This actually looks better. It certainly is faster and less effort. Okay, well, I've assembled this wheel hoe and it was really pretty easy. I didn't get frustrated once and it works great.